Hello everyone, good morning. So today we will start exercise 16C. Very easy topic to do. That's all about multiplication. You know that how to do it. Just 2 to 3 things that you have to keep in your mind while solving the question. So without wasting any further time, let's start. So now let's just start our journey by looking at question number 1 of 16C. Let's just start. Find the following products. Product means what? I know that multiplication is a sign of product. So now in this question, what the question has written is that 2x square bracket 5x plus 3y. So now whenever the bracket comes, no, just you have to open up the bracket. So how to do it? That is the main problem. So when we are open up the bracket, just make sure that the outsider number is being multiplied to all the elements which are there inside the bracket. The outsider element should multiply itself to all the elements which are there, which stays inside the bracket. What exactly I am talking about? That 2x square is being multiplied to 5x and 2x square is also multiplied to 3y. That is the exact process that you have to looking out, right? What you have to do? The outsider number should multiply itself to the insider number who stays inside the bracket. If 2 numbers are there, 2 times multiplication. If 3 numbers are there, 3 times. Right? That's about it. Now let's just do it. 2x square into 5x plus, and the sign will remain same. If there is plus, we have to put plus. If there is minus, we have to put minus. As simple as that. So after that, 2x square into 3y. And let's just do that. What is the process? I know that coefficient will be multiplied with the coefficient and the variable part should be multiplied with the variable part. That's it. So now 2 into 5 is 10 and x square into x. X square into x means what? In the previous video I have already explained that when we are talking about multiplication of variables, or let's say multiplication of any numbers which has power, then the power gets added up. So that means if nothing is there in the power, that means it is 1. So that means when we are multiplying x square with x, what will gonna happen? That is 2 plus 1 and it will become 3. After that 2 into 6, 2 into 3, that is 6, and x square and y. Now you just see x square and x, are they like or unlike? Like, definitely, because the base is same, x and x. But here x and y, base is not same, base is different. So that means these are unlike terms. So that means we just keep them as it is. So that is the required answer. So that is the required answer. Simple and easy to do it, right? Moving on to our next part, that is question number 5. Let's just do it. What is the first process? Multiply this outsider with the insider. So 0.5 y into 0.1 x square plus 0.5 y into 0.1 y. Simple. Let's just do it. Coefficient multiplied with the coefficient. So that means 5 into 1 is 5. But how many points that I have to pick up? Let's just see. 5 into 1 is 5. But there, how many points are there? 2 points. 2 points are there. How I should know that whether it is 2 point or 1 point? I have to look out that after point, how many digits are there? 1. After a point, how many digits are there? 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. That means in the answer also, after a point, how many digits should be there? It should be 2. But there is only 1 digit. So what should I do? Put 1 0. Simple. 0 and put the point. Answer done. So that means 0.05. Now, are they like or unlike? Unlike, because the base is not same. So it will stay as it is. After that, same 0.5 into 0.1. So it will become 0.05. And y. Now, base are same. So that means power get added up. So what is the power? 1 and 1. When they are adding up with each other, it will become 2. So the answer is y square. So that's about question number 1. Moving around to the next question, that is question number 2. So moving around to our next question, that is question number 2. Multiply and verify your result for x equal to 1, y equal to -2 and z equal to -1. That is a question, that is 13x square y bracket z square minus y square. Now this question is something exactly similar to what we have done in our previous video. I know that how to do it. First of all, we have to multiply these things, and after that we will put these values, that is the values of x, y and z in the question as well as in the answer, and let's just verify each other that the question's answer will be same to the answers or not. So what I am talking about, let's just find out. So now first of all, let's just multiply this two, that the outsider will be multiplied to the insider. So that means 13x square y into z square minus 13x square y into y square. And what is the process? What is the process? That the coefficient will be multiplied with the coefficient. So there is no coefficient. So if there is no such coefficient available, so that means that their coefficient should be 1. So here 1 is there. Here also 1 is there. So that means 13 is multiplied with 1 and it will become 13 as it is. After that, is there any like terms that is available for this two cases? That means x square y and z square, no like terms, because the base are totally different, so it will stay as it is, x square y z square. No, after that minus, same process will repeat because 13 into 1 is 13. And after that, now here I just look out that y is there and also y is there, so that means one base is same, so that means what we have to do, just add the powers, and x square will remain as it is because all of the things are in multiplication. So that means what I am talking about is that 13x square y is nothing but 13 into x square into y. That's how it is. So that means all of the three things, or you can say all of the numbers, are actually getting multiplied with each other. So that just stay x square as it is, and after that moving on to y and y, base is same, power should add. So that means 1 plus 2, it will become 3. So that is the net result, that is 13x square y z square minus 13x square y cube. After that, now the verification part, let's just do that. Verification, right? Verification, and after that, first of all the question, I have to write here x equal to 1, y equal to -2 and z equal to -1. Let's just do that. That is the question. It is 13x square y z square minus y square. Put this value. So 13 into 1 square into -2 bracket minus 1 square minus -2 whole square. That is the thing. So what is the value of that? So this is something like 1 square means what? I know that when 1 is there or -1 is there, if the power is, when we are talking about 1, when any power is there, it will stay as it is. But when we are talking about minus of 1, so that means when minus of 1 to the power something is there, the power, either if it is even, then in the result positive will come. That means it will become plus. And when we have odd numbers in the power, then minus will come. What exactly I'd like to say, that when -1 is there to the power, let's say 3, it is what? It is odd number, so that means in the result minus will be there, -1. And when even number is there, so it will become plus. Simple, right? So after that 1 square is there, so there is no such problem because 1 square, any 1 to the power anything is 1, no problem. And 13 into -2 is -26. I know that. After that, this will become 1 square. This will become 1 because -1 square is 2 is even, no? So it will become 1. After that, -2 square. So I know that minus of anything, when this will be in even number, so the result will be in plus. So 2 square is 4 over. After that minus 26 and 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is what? 1 minus 4 is what? 1 minus 4 is minus 3. 1 minus 4 is minus 3 because different sign I have to do the minus. So 4 minus 1 is 3, but which sign that I have to put? The sign which is associated with the larger number. So between these two, 1 and 4, which one is larger? 4 is larger. So that means minus will come in the answer. So it will become minus 3. And now this 2, when we are multiplied this 2, the answer will be what? It will become 78. Positive or negative, minus or plus, minus into minus, that will give us plus. That is the net result. After that, in the result form, this is the result, write this one. So 13x square yz square minus 13x square y cube. Put the value. 13 into 1 square into minus 2 into z square, that is minus 1 square, minus 13 into 1 square, and y is minus 1, I guess. Oh, sorry, minus 2. Minus 2 cube. Okay, let's just do that. So 13 into 1 square is 1, and 13 into minus 2 is how much? 13 into minus 2 is minus 26, and 1 as 1 square is 1. So that means minus 26 will be there. After that, 13 minus 13 into 1 is 13 into 1 square is 13, and minus 2 to the power 3. Now see, minus 2 to the power 3 means what? 2 is getting multiplied for how many times? 3 times. That means 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. Now let's just find out what should be the answer, whether it should be minus or plus. So when minus is there and odd number is there, so definitely in the result minus will come. So that means it will become minus 8. So the net result is minus 13 into minus 8. At present I got it. After that, minus 26, it will stay as it is, and minus 13 into 8, it will become minus 104. Is it minus or plus? What do you think? Because minus into minus, that will give us plus, and 104 minus 26 is nothing but 78. Both the result are same. So at the last I will write hence verified. Is it clear? Is it clear? I hope that it is clear how to do it. Let me just repeat once again. First of all, multiplication part, that is the multiplication. After that, verification. First of all, I just write down what is the values that are being given, and I just put these values on the question and find it out how to do it. One thing that you have to remember, when minus terms are there, minus to the power of something, we have to focus on in the power what is it that is associated, or whether it is odd number or whether it is even number. If odd number is there, that means in the result also minus will be there. If even number is there, then in the result positive will there, or you can say plus will be there. After that, when 2 to the power 3 is there, so that means 2 is getting multiplied for how many times? 3 times. When 2 to the power 4 is there, 2 is getting multiplied for how many times? 4 times. After that, minus, how to know that in the result minus will come or plus will come? So minus is there, what number that is associated in the power? That is odd number. So clearly I know that when odd number is there, then it will become what? Negative. That's about it, and that is the net result, and 78 both get matched up, and hence it is verified. So up to this, I hope that it is clear. Let's just move around to our next question, which will be question number 4. Alright, so we are coming towards the end of this particular class. So the last question of today's video is question number 4. Simplify the following, and the same process will repeat. What we have to do, just do the calculation part, and when bracket is there, so that means we have to multiply it, product it, Simple. I know that how to do it. You also know that how to do it. So let's just do it. So that means how we should proceed in the first question. How to do it? Let's just see. There is a question which is being given. So I will write 2 into x plus 2 into 2, because 2 is getting multiplied. The exterior part will be getting multiplied with the interior part. The outsider will be getting multiplied with the insider. After that 3x squared will stay as it is, and minus 3x into 2x. And after that, that is the most important part. Now let's just see. When these two terms are there, no, so first of all put plus, no problem. After that minus is there, no, so put minus 3x into 1. And in the next step you will get what exactly I would like to say. So 2 into x is 2x, and 2 into 2 is 4. 3x square will stay 3x square. After that 3 into 2 is 6, and x into x is x square. How x into x is x square? Because the power is 1 and 1, and we have to add this 2. That is 1 and 1, it will become 2. And in the case of different sign, that is there, that is plus, and there it is minus. So different sign is there, and minus into plus, it will give us minus. There is no such problem. After that the same process, that is plus into minus, that will give us minus, and 3x into 1, it will be 3x. It will stay as it is. Now let's just find out what are the like terms which are being available. So these two are like terms, that is 3x square minus 6x square, first like term. After that put 1 plus 2x minus 3x, another one, and plus 4. Alright, is there any problem up to this? I hope it is very easy to do it, and there is no such problem available for you. So now when we are doing minus, I know that how to do it. What is the process? That base is same, these two are same, so there is no such problem. Put x square. Okay, x square is there, so it will stay as it is. After that we will move our focus towards the coefficient part. So what is the coefficient over here? That is minus 6. And what is the coefficient over here? That is 3. So minus 6 plus 3, it will give us how much? Minus 6 plus 3, it will give us how much? I know that different sign is there, so that means minus will take place. So that means subtraction will take place. So what should I do? That is 6 minus 3, it will give us 3. Put 3. And different sign is there, so I have to decide that what sign should be there in the answer. So that is the easiest process to find it out, that what is the bigger number among these two. 6 is the bigger number, and what is the sign that is associated with 6? That is minus. So answer will be in minus. So that means the answer is minus 3, like that way. Minus 3 x square will be there. After that the same process will repeat. X is stay as it is, and now 2 minus 3 is, I know that 3 minus 2 is 1, but the larger number is 3 and the sign is negative. So in the answer also the sign will be minus x and plus 4, it will stay as it is. So that is the net result, that is minus 3x square minus x plus 4. Simple and easy way to do it. Moving on to our next part, that is question number 3, that is the last question. Do it. 3 brackets are there, so that means 3 multiplication will take place. And how many insiders are there? 2, 2, 2. So that means we have to multiply it for 2 times. Simple. Outsider is getting multiplied with the insider. So outsider is x, insider is y. Outsider is x, insider is y. After that outsider is y, insider is x, and outsider is y, insider is x. Outsider is z, insider is x, outsider is z, insider is y. Alright, so x into y is xy, x into z is xz, plus yz, minus yx, plus zx, minus zy. Why these things are happening? Because the base is absolutely different among all such cases, so it will stay as it is. It will not change, because when we are talking about multiplication with the variable, so that means the base should be same. It should not be unlike, it should be like if we want to multiply it. If it is unlike, then it will stay as it is. So now after that, let's just find out xy, and now you just see yx. So now do you agree with that 2 into 3 that will give us 6, and 3 into 2 that will also give us 6? So that means these two are absolutely same expression. Do you agree with that? I hope you are, because the net result is absolutely same. Like that way, xy is there and yx is there, so that means xy and yx both are same. Now if I just write down 3 is there and there is -3, so what is the net result? That is 0. So like that way, xy is there, that is under plus, and yx is there, which is under minus. So that means xy and yx are getting cancelled out with each other, and it will become 0. Like that way, xz is there and xz is there and zx is there, both are same, both are in different signs, so that means this will also cancel out with each other. Like that way, yz is there, zy is there, both are in different signs, so it will cancel out with each other, and the result is 0. Is it clear or not? Let me just summarize once again, because I think I'm getting too faster. So now what we have to do, just multiply first term. I hope that it is clear. After that, when we are multiplied all such things, what we have to focus on? This one reasoning, that 2 into 3 is 6 and 3 into 2 is also 6. So that means this two expression has nothing difference in it. The placing is different, but the net result is same. Like that way, xy and yx both are same, but the placing is different. Now when 3 is there and -3 is there, what is the net result? That is 0, because these two are same but having different sign. So that's why the value are getting cancelled out with each other. Like that way, xy is there, yx is there, but the sign are completely changed, different. So that means both are getting cancelled out with each other, and the rest of the terms are getting cancelled out with each other with this proper reasoning. That's about it, and the answer is 0. I hope that you have cracked how to do question number 4, and it is my recommendation to do a lot of sums, because that will actually kick up your calculation speed. So that's about it. I will continue from question number 5 in the next video. Till then, you have to do question number 1, the remaining questions, question number 2, the remaining question, that is question number 2, and question number 3 absolutely, because only one question is there, and question number 4, that is question number 4-2 and question number 4-4. You have to do it in your home and try to see at the answers, try to see in the back side of your book that whether my answer is correct or not. This will actually kick up your confidence and as well as the calculation speed as well. That's about it. Thank you and have a nice day.